Alright guys, finally doing some bass fishing out here at Lake Ray Hubbard. It's currently like, I want to say like 6:20. Dang, you had the first strike, Luis. Ooh, something just got killed over there. Y'all saw that? Let's go over there. Man, I was hoping that top water was going to be live, so I'd come so early. I'm going to go ahead and start with a natural color, green pumpkin. If that doesn't work, I'm going to start flipping with my Okeechobee Rage Crawl against the bushes, so, and the brush, so. Got one? It's a big one? Yeah? Keep him down, keep him low, keep him low. I got you. Wait, he came off? Oh. Right here, I can't see him. There you go, man. Good job. And he's fat. Watch it. Watch the hooks. He's gonna shake. Watch the hooks. I got you. Ooh, that guy's fat, bro. Right on that sexy shad chartreuse crankbait. You see? So that's a solid 1.5 right there. Let's take a picture. That's good, man. Release him. He hit it good. And he's eating already. Good job, man. First fish of the day. Baby always catches the first fish of the day. It's crazy, that fish was really fat. Ooh, here we go. I got my first one right here. I don't think he's got it completely in his mouth. There it is. First fish of the day for me. I felt it get stuck on some weeds, and as soon as I snagged it out of there, he hit it. A little baby bass. All right, guys, first little baby bass for me. All right, he gone. You know, I was just about to change the colors too. You got one? Or you got grass? You do? Ooh, that's a nice one. Here, bring him this way. Nah, you should be good. Bro, watch the hooks. Grab them tight. Strong. It's gonna shake right now. Nah, it's a little bit bigger. That one's bigger. Told you. They're active, bro. They are active. That's 3 fish. That's a good one. That's the biggest one of the day. I got the smallest. All right. Again. And he gone. Nice. Might have to tie on the crankbait. You could leave that one if you want then. But I would use the yellow one. If they're hitting the white one, they'll definitely hit the yellow one. Texas rig? Yeah. It's a good one? Oh, it's a good one. Luis, that's all you, bruh. Grab from the mouth. Let's go, Luis. Ow, just stabbed myself. Jesus Christ.
That thing's sharp.
No, I got it.
It's not like deep.
Hold him. What's your favorite? Red Shark? Nice. Good fish right there. 4th fish of the day right there. It's been a very relaxed day. We're hanging out for at least 30 minutes, getting all these bird nests out of the way. Got him on the baby brush hog, right on the drop, over there where the bushes are at. I'm now throwing a white cheddar bait. Don't know how that's gonna work out, but stay tuned, fellas.
Yo, he's a monster.
Oh, it's a bowfin.
He's good, he's good, he's good.
That's a monster.
What are you doing?
Up. You ready, Fabian?
He wanted to smoke.
Up, really, Fabian? You didn't get Meg. You missed him completely.
Your ass.
Boy, that's the worst netting job ever.
You shouldn't eat that. He wanted to smoke.
Up, really, Fabian? You didn't get Meg. You missed him completely. Shoot it. Spinner bait, Fabian. Grab the spinner bait. Oh, it's not even tied on. No. I got one. They're eating right here.
What's the biggest one?
There it is, guys. My biggest bass of the day right here for me. They're being chased. You can see all these shad being chased. All these little bubbles. We're just casting right over them and dragging it. There it is, fellas. Solid bass right there. Here you go, Fabian. Take me a picture. Well, guys, looks like we're gonna call it an early day today. All batteries are dead, and we're gonna paddle away.